So hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. This is Madhu Sarat and today I'm here with a try on haul video. So before moving on to the video, I have a request to you all guys. If you are here for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel. That would genuinely mean a word to me. So in the video guys, I'll be mentioning the price of the product, the size of the product and the material of the product that I'm wearing. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first on my list is this dress from the brand UNF. It has this beautiful print all over the dress and I got this for 506 only, and the size that I'm wearing is S in this dress. It is a tropical printed A-line dress having shoulder straps and also a stretch panel on the waist. It is also having a side slit and a flared hem. And guys, it comes with a belt. तो अगर आपको ये थोड़ा लूज भी है तो you can adjust it with the belt and it will enhance the look. And I have paired it with this denim jacket. So overall I like this dress. So moving on to the next item guys, I have this beautiful top that I'm wearing. It is from the brand Berry Lush and I'm wearing size XS in this. And I got this for 395 only. It is बहुत ही प्यारा टॉप है, as you can see with polka dots. तो polka dots तो these are my favorite guys. The material is polyester and it is a ruffle top with off shoulder neck, but आप इसको normally भी पहन सकते हो. And if you are looking for something stylish and comfortable, then this is it guys. I just love this one, so a thumbs up for this. So guys, moving on to the next items, I have these two, this top and this trouser, this black trouser. So these both are from the brand Sassafras, and for the trouser I am size S, and for the top also I'm wearing size S only, and I got this top for the price 350, and the trouser I got in 494, and it is a formal trouser. So the material for both of these is polyester only, and the trouser is having partially elasticated waistband with buckle detail, and the top is having navy blue and white stripes all over it. It has shoulder straps with short sleeves. So overall a thumbs up for these both because I liked both of these. It gives you a proper formal look. So moving on to the next item guys, I have this denim trouser. See, this denim trouser, and this again is from the brand Sassafras only, and I got this for 494 again, and I'm wearing size S in this. The material is cotton and it is high-rise denim parallel trousers having a partially elasticated waistband and a snap button closure. It also has a zip fly. So overall I like this one. And one more thing guys, it is having two pockets as well on the back. So guys, moving on to the next item, I have this jeans from the brand, where is the brand? Okay, yeah, from the brand Cross, and I'm wearing size 30 in this. See, and I got this for 652 only. The material is cotton and it is 5-pocket mid-rise jeans having a clean look with light fade. It also has a button and a zip closure and the waistband with belt loops. So overall it is a comfortable jeans and it is worth it in this price. So moving on to the next item, I have this shorts from the brand Tokyo Talkies. Actually I've already returned it, but the size that I'm wearing is 28. I've returned it because मैंने सबसे छोटा size order किया and still वो मुझे बहुत loose था. So if you are a healthy kind of a person, then you can order it. It is a nice shorts. The material is cotton and it is high-rise regular shorts having 2 pockets and a button closure. But the fit is a little loose, so I have returned it.
but apart from that, if it fits you well, then you can order it.
So moving on to the next item, guys, I have this cropped parallel trouser from the brand Alsace Lorraine Paris. So here it is. See, here it is, and I got this for 560, and the size that I'm wearing is 28.
So the material is polyester, and it is a mid-rise parallel trouser having a waistband with snap button closure, and also a zip fly and two pockets. You can keep your phone also, and these buttons on the sides are giving it a whole different look. आप उसको अपने accordingly style कर सकते हो. So overall, it's a good deal.
So this was the last item, and that's all I had for today's haul. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, guys, do tell me in the comment section below how you liked the video and which product you like the most from the haul. Thanks again for watching, guys. Keep supporting. Bye bye.